In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the linear scale in Google Forms. This tutorial is designed for anyone looking to add a scale of responses to their survey or questionnaire. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool, allowing you to gather feedback, conduct surveys, or even create quizzes. Today, focusing specifically on the linear scale question type, I'll guide you through each step to seamlessly incorporate this into your form. Let's start at the very beginning. First, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Head over to the Google Forms website, click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Type in your email address, hit Next, enter your password, and once again click Sign In. This is your gateway to creating and managing your Google Forms. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Forms main page. Here you have two options: start a new form from scratch or edit an existing one. Today we're starting fresh, so let's create a new form. Click on the multicolored plus button, or if you're using the template gallery, choose a blank form. Now that your new form is up and ready to be customized, let's dive into adding your first question. Click on the plus add question button. You'll see a variety of question types available, but today we're focused on the linear scale. So let's give your question some context. Type in the question or instruction that you want to ask your respondents. This could be anything from rating their satisfaction to gauging their agreement with a statement. After entering your question, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to the question type. Click on this drop-down. By default, it's set to multiple choice, but we're looking for a different type of response. Scroll through the options and select linear scale. The linear scale allows respondents to select a number along a continuous scale that best represents their opinion or experience. With the linear scale selected, you now have to customize it. This involves setting the scale range and labeling its endpoints. For instance, if your scale is from 1 to 5, type 1 inch as the start of your scale and 5 inches as the end. You can also label these endpoints to clarify what they represent, like not at all satisfied to very satisfied, depending on the context of your question. Now I want to share a pro tip with you. While adding questions is crucial, previewing your form is equally important. It gives you a respondent's view of the form, helping you ensure everything is clear and functions as intended. To do this, click on the eye icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This takes you into preview mode where you can interact with your form just like a respondent would. Take this opportunity to go through your form, checking the clarity of your questions, the functionality of the linear scale, and the overall flow. Remember, the key to a successful Google form is making it easy and intuitive for respondents. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to add a linear scale question, but also how to ensure your form is well crafted and ready for responses. That's a wrap on our tutorial. Google Forms is a powerful tool with a multitude of uses, and mastering it can greatly benefit your data collection process. Whether for feedback, research, or even event planning, the skills you've learned today can be applied to make your forms more engaging and informative. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.